My name is Jennifer Tombaugh, and I'm the president of Tauck. We're the first licensed tour operator in the United States. And I'm also very honored to be chair of ETOA. I think we've been part of ETOA since as long as I can remember, certainly before I started at Tauck 22 years ago. And so our decades-long commitment to ETOA is really based on the fact that the number one destination for our travelers, who are largely Americans, in a guided group experience is Europe. And so 60% of our land and river programs, certainly all of our river programs, are based in Europe. And our guests so value their time. They see Europe as a destination that's always on their bucket list, and we wanted to make sure that we were part of an association that supported tourism to Europe, that advocated strongly for policies around improving tourism opportunities, and that gave us some good insight on the ground as to what was happening in Europe. So ETOA is a critical part of how we think about our operations for our guests and deliver the experiences that they love. The benefits of being part of ETOA, I would say, are community. It's a wonderful group of people. Advocacy, going out and fighting for all of the policies and laws and operations that make it easy for us to operate and deliver the experiences that we want. And insight. It's the knowledge of what's happening on the ground or what might be coming that allows us to be proactive in how we work and deliver our experiences for our guests. ETOA's policy advocacy is critical to everything that we do in Europe, whether it was helping us understand and to navigate the COVID rules that were ever changing over the last 2 or 3 years, or now ensuring that taxes are not imposed on travelers at a time where our industry so needs to rebound. They've been partners, critical partners that we've walked hand in hand with that in the last few decades and for many, many years to come. When I think about ETOA, I think about the excitement and the energy and the rebound for tourism. At the end of the day, travel is a form of spreading peace and understanding. And we are an industry that the world needs right now.